Hello and welcome to SIRENNET Television. I'm Chris. Today with me is a great little part that I think you're gonna like when it comes to your installations and making things nice and easy if you're not doing a full interior light bar, or if you just have a vehicle that isn't one of the usual service package that the parts are a majority available for. What we have here, again from Federal Signal, it's a window mount bezel kit, and it's designed specifically for the MicroPulse Ultra 6 series LED light heads. And no, the light head is not included with this bezel kit. That's something that you're going to order separately. But what we have here is multiple pieces making up this kit, and the part number for it is an MPSM6U-WIN. So again, that'll be on the page for you when you are ordering this kit. But simple enough, it has two pieces for the MicroPulse 6 light head. There's a backing that the wiring harness goes right through, and a piece which the light head affixes onto inside of here. What's really nice with this, once you have this popped into one of the 4 available shroud options, you can adjust the angle of the light head so the light output is absolutely perfect. So this way you have a light that is nice, level, you don't have it going downward, you don't have it going upward, so you don't have to sacrifice any of the wonderful output from this LED light. Now, the 4 options that you have here, cleverly enough, affix with a double-sided adhesive strip. So with each one of these optional shrouds, you have a fitting adhesive strip piece. So peel off the backing, peel off the front, affix it onto this piece, clean the glass first, make sure that is done, and then get the placement just right, and there you have it. Lights, nice, clean, no flashback, and they fit really cleanly on the interior of your vehicle as well. And what I like with this is the 4 different angles. So you have a 90 degree, a 67, a 46, and a 30. So really something that's gonna work across the board, be it a car, truck, or SUV, the front windshield, the side windows, or going out the rear. So again, a great little kit here, and again, it's a kit. So the pieces you have, this is how it comes, and this lets you get things set just right in the vehicle. So I'll take one of these here now. Very nice. Fitted to the back. Light head pops in accordingly. The double-sided strip would then be peeled back, applied, lining up like so, and this other side against the glass surface. And of course, I am going to turn this on and give you just a little demonstration here on the bench. Alrighty, and here we have it. So again, the great thing with these shrouds, the light is contained within it. So again, you're not sacrificing anything when it comes to the vehicle and having any light bleeding out around the edges. And again, once this is in the vehicle, you can adjust the screws on the back, getting it lined up absolutely perfect. A great product it is from Federal Signal. Part number and ordering, all done on the website, or give our helpful sales team a call. I'm Chris. Thanks for watching SIRENNET Television, and I'll see you next time.